How to make mutton kosha. Ingredients used: potatoes, mutton, garlic, onion, cinnamon, cardamom, saumph or fennel seeds, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, tomatoes, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, garam masala, coriander leaves. In a pan or kadai, add 4 tablespoons of oil and heat it to high heat. Once the oil is sufficiently heated, add around 8 small potatoes, peeled and cut in half. Add a pinch of salt to this so the potatoes get a nice golden color, and sauté for a few minutes. Then lower the flame to low and cover and cook for 5 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, take around 700 grams of mutton with a small amount of fat and wash it with warm water. In a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic and 1 chopped onion and sauté them. After 2 minutes, add your mutton pieces to the cooker and mix well. Cook the meat for 5 minutes, then add 1½ cups of water so that the meat is fully submerged. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt, and mix well. Close the lid and cook on high heat for 2 whistles. Now check back on your potatoes and make sure they are cooked all the way through. Then remove them from the oil and keep them aside. In the same oil, add a piece of cinnamon, 2 pieces of cardamom, and 1/2 teaspoon of saumph or fennel seeds, and sauté for a few minutes. Add 2 small chopped onions, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Keep on high flame and sauté until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Add 2 sliced green chilies and sauté until the onions turn golden brown. Once the onions are golden, add 4 to 5 small chopped tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes become soft. You can add a pinch of salt to help soften the tomatoes. Now add the masalas. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Sauté on high flame for a few minutes. Once the masalas have cooked slightly, add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. And sauté for a few more minutes. Now it's time to check on our mutton broth. This broth can also be made into a delicious mutton soup. Click the link at the top to see our mutton soup recipe. Once the oil is released from your curry, remove the cooked mutton pieces from the broth and add them to your pan. Mix this well until all of the meat pieces are coated with the masalas. Keep on medium flame and continuously mix for 5 minutes. This is also known as kosha, and it infuses the flavor into the meat so that it becomes richer in taste. After 5 minutes, add your fried potato to your pan. Then continue to kosha or continuously stir your curry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of your previously made broth and continue to mix. Add salt to taste and continue to mix. If the mixture becomes too dry, you can add more broth as you please. You can also add a 1/2 cup of warm water. Keep the flame on high and boil until you reach your desired consistency. Then lower the flame and add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and mix well. Finally, top with freshly chopped coriander. Your mutton kosha is ready to enjoy. Serve with rice or chapatis. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you next time.